Hola, 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 bienvenidos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gladys here. Welcome back to Gladys Tivere, Living Clutter Free, where I teach you guys how to live clutter free, minimal, all sorts of goodie to keep your home clean and keep you in sane mind. So today I wanted to bring you guys my summer home tour. Yay! I can hear just noise cheering in the back. But I'm bringing you guys my summer home tour. I don't know if you can see my skirt, but today that's why I brought the yellow skirt. You're going to see the theme of yellow, but it's not overbearing. It's just simple and my style, but with the pop of color for summer. So without further ado, because you guys know I can stand here and talk forever. Without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Let's go. Okay, let's start, guys, from my front porch, and I just love this so much. Let's start from here. My left side is a sweet summer fruit stand and juice bar. I think that's what it says. I have really bad eyesight, so sorry guys. And I just love how summery that looks with the whole USA Americana theme. It says USA Freedom, and it's definitely a country of freedom. With my reef in the middle, I just think it pops even more. And I just love that so much. When you go down there, I have a new mat. This one says, "Let freedom reign, sweet land of liberty." And I just love just that bright color. Just coming in here and opening the door to enter home. It just feels so good. This will stay there for all summer long until I get my fall one, which I will definitely make you guys see, of course. Okay guys, welcome to my entryway. I love to start in the entryway to just give you guys an aspect of what the home looks like when you enter in, and this is what it looks like so far. I love this table so very much. If I can afford to get a bigger table, not big like as in like wider than this or whatever, but something that has like cabinet that can be closed, and something even that doesn't have like anything here, so that I can, you know, put like things there for Christmas or pumpkin for Christmas and for fall and things like that. I will love that. But yeah, on the table for summer, I definitely brought some greenery. I just think the pop of green just refreshes the home, and I love that. In here, I have two candle holders with the candles. The candle holders are from Goodwill, and the candles are from IKEA. I got a bunch of them for like very inexpensive. That black candle is from the Dollar Tree, including that book and the candle on there. I don't know, it's probably thrifted somewhere, but let's continue and go further. So behind me was the entryway. When you enter into the home, this is what you see. To give you guys a better view, let me go into the living room itself, then I'll turn you guys around. 1 second, guys. Okay guys, so this is my overview of my living room. For those who know my home, it hasn't changed much, but I just love the pop of yellow that I brought there. It brings me so much joy. So let's start here. This throw blanket is from Ross, including this throw pillow. Now let me fix that pillow. I don't know why I don't like it like that. Hold up. Hold up. Let's see. Okay, it's better. I don't know. Still not better. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Yeah. I'm so OCD. It's not even funny. Okay, guys. Done with the nonsense. Let's get to the tour. Okay, guys. So on top here, I just decided to throw a throw blanket there, and I love that throw blanket. It was from Ross as well. I believe in the Christmas or winter time. And these flowers are from the Dollar Tree, and they don't look like Dollar Tree flowers, because I have seen flowers from Ross and Hobby Lobby that look exactly like these flowers, and these are like full stems for $4, which is better than anywhere else I will get. So I just love that. And that throw blanket on the table just brings me so much joy. It gives like warmth to the home, which I love, instead of being so plain, since it's like there's not much decor. Okay, so then on these chairs, hold on, let me fix the light for you all. That's better. Okay, so guys, on these chairs, I kept these two throw blankets, throw pillows, white ones from IKEA. So it's the covers are from IKEA. The pillows insert are probably from a pillow I already previously had. Now on the table here, I love these florals. These are florals mixed with, no, they're all, what is it called, from Home Goods. Sorry, no, Hobby Lobby. Oh my God, my brain. Okay, and then I just love the vase. It's from Crate and Barrel, but I got it at the Goodwill. So definitely look in your Goodwill and don't just buy just to buy. Definitely shop around. This small vase too is from Goodwill. Let me come close, and I just love the simplicity of it, the black and white. And this was all black. And then I painted it white to have that rustic look in there, even though it's not perfect. I just love the fact that the black peeks through, and I just think that looks super cute. Simple and so my style. Same thing right here as well. So again, this is the overview of what the living room looks like. Let's continue. Okay, so on this side here, I placed some planters with some plants in there. This is from American Furniture Warehouse. This is from Ross. And this is from American Furniture Warehouse. However, I painted the lids, this brass gold and this one white. It was actually like a champagne, and this was like black. So yeah. Okay, so this is one of my favorite spots. I love this. Even though by looking at this, it looks very fallish because of the pampas grass, but I love the black. As you guys can see, I'm incorporating blacks in my decor, also with the candle holder in the entryway. So I love the black. I love this mirror because it reflects light and it makes the room feel bigger, even though it's not that big in my downstairs here. So the fact that the light reflects and the mirror shows on the other side, it makes it feel bigger. That's why I have the twin mirrors over here. But I just love this. So simple, yes. So okay, beautiful. So this is my kitchen. Simple, but I want to show you guys all the summer items there. There's nothing much to see there. If you haven't seen my videos of me showing how I did this floor and the backing, that video should be on my page already, but I wanted to show you guys the, what is it called? Summer decoration. So on here, I have this beautiful wreath that I really like. Let me come close. Don't mind the fly killers, guys. I just think it looks so cute. As you can see, I still have the tag on there because I didn't know if I was going to keep it or not, but I had this for spring, and it definitely goes on for summer with my color scheme because of the yellow. And as you can see, like when you look around, you can see the yellow popping everywhere you look. So just pull into that color. And I just love that. Now, when you come here in the kitchen, you will see the same yellow. And I just love that. This didn't come like that. It was mostly these. And I added these yellow flowers on there. And I just think it looks super cute. On this side, this is not summer decor, but I really like this. I just think that looks so cute. Hold on. Let me help the camera to focus. Okay. Maybe it's my eyesight because I can see well. But yeah, I just think that looks so cute. Simple, but you can use it for decor, and you can use it practically, obviously, it's a cutting board to cut stuff. So okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. There was not much to show, as you guys know that I live here minimally and we practice minimalism. So I won't show you little knickknacks. I don't like that. So this is my summer tour for downstairs. I will definitely show you guys upstairs as well as we go deeper into the month of July. So definitely stay tuned. If you like this video, click on that like button. Show your girl some love. I would truly appreciate it. God bless you guys. Bye, y'all.
Drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on